This tutorial will explain how you can defeat the Gil Turtle in Final Fantasy V. For this method, make sure you have the Golem summon as well as the Float, Isuna, Kuraga, and Blizzaga magic spells. In terms of your party, make sure that 2 of your characters can summon. The other 2 should be able to use black magic. You should also make sure that 3 party members can use white magic, while the remaining 1 member is capable of using time spells. Before the fight, make sure you cast Float. Otherwise, the earthquake attack of the Gil Turtle at the end of the battle may end up wiping out your party. At the beginning of the encounter, summon Golem as soon as possible. Afterwards, make sure you heal your party with Kuraga. Once you have the situation under control, have 1 character summon Golem, and then another character immediately use Blizzaga. You need to alternate between these actions over and over again, only to stop and heal when necessary. The most important part of this battle is to keep using the Golem summon since it will block out a majority of the physical attacks. You should also make sure to recast Float or any party member you got knocked out and then revive. Eventually, the Gil Turtle will use its earthquake attack when it gets defeated. As long as you have someone with float status, then you should be victorious. If this video helped you out, then you can support this channel by clicking on the like button.